As we go into the President's holidays, the key message to all of you, Botswana, kulapeng, let us take care of our children. We know that child protection can never be underestimated. Our children at this point face a lot of dangers. You should know at all times where your child is, who your child is with. Is there somebody that you trust enough to be left alone with that individual? We know it's a time for festivities, but as you go out, make sure that children are safe because the numbers are telling. Each and every day, cases of abuse are being reported. Cases of neglect are being reported. Even cases of children being hurt in the household because there is nobody taking care of them, or there is nobody making sure that children are playing in the right places, are playing with the right tools that they're supposed to be playing with. So I urge you all, bagaetsho, that let us all unite for the protection of our children.